lot, okay, L-O-T, lot is a lotion, okay. Then M dot, okay, mix, okay. Then M, small m dot, minims, a drop, okay. Already we have talked about this. Minims means drop, okay. Process of taking minims means process of taking drops, okay. Drop, one drop, two drop, okay. I told you earlier also, nowadays these medicines come in such like bottles that only you can just easily drop it one by one, okay. It is not a big issue nowadays. Then mag, okay, mag is Magnus, large, okay. Then mane, okay, morning. Then m it n, okay, mane et nocti, morning and night, okay. Then mp, that is melting point. Then mittis, sand. Mist, misturia, okay, mixture. Mod, prescripto. Modo, prescripto, okay, as prescribed. Then more dict, okay, moro dicto, okay, to be used in the manner directed. Then MDU, okay, MDU is moro dicto utendum, okay, to be used as directed. Okay, nowadays nobody write like this, okay, directly they write in English, to be used as directed, okay, but this is the terminology that is used in Latin or Greek, okay. And capital N dot capital O, natural order. Then capital N, small o, okay, numero or numerous, okay, number. Knocked, already we know, at night, okay. Then non-rip means non-repetier, do not repeat. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, means like it is not problem, na? Sound is means okay, na? Because some of you have, I think, network issue. Okay. Then next is the Nox. Okay, Nox means night. Okay, only O. Okay, capital O means mother substances. We have seen Q. Q means mother tincture. Okay, and O means mother substances. Remember it. Okay. Then Oct O. Okay, Oct O means mother substances. Then OM. Okay, omnis means all, every, after. Then Omn main, okay, omni mane, okay, every morning. Omn knocked, okay, omni nocte, every night. Okay, then Om Nahor, okay, Omni Hora, every hour. Then Om Bi, okay, Omni Bihora, okay, every 2 hours. Then capital O, small d, okay, Omni Die, every day. Okay, O dot P, okay, overproof. Already we have seen underproof, and this is overproof. Then PAE, okay, partus equilis, okay, equal parts, okay. Then PHAR, for pharmaceuticals, okay, regarding a pharmacy. P dot C, okay, post cybus, okay, after food. PRN, okay, prorineta, okay, when required, okay. Then proximo, okay, next. Then PT, persisters, okay, continue. Then Pullus, a power. Then PR, okay. Then PV, already this we have done. Then Q is mother tincture. Then QID, okay, QID already we know, okay. QID is 4 times a day, okay. Next is the QL, okay, quantum libet, okay, as much as required. QP, okay, quantum placet, as much as you please, okay. QS means sometimes this is used, it means as much you can do, okay. Like sometimes we tell you, our patient, okay, apply this lotion or apply these things, okay, as much as you can do, okay, means how many times you can do, okay. Nowadays, like sometimes we tell our patient, take vapor or like take hot application, okay, as much as you can do, okay. So as So as much as you please means how much times you can take it is up to you. Okay. US quantum sufficient. Okay, sufficient quantity. QV quantum wish as much as you wish. Then rep is repetior. Okay, let it be repeated. Then S sigma marks. Okay, then S is simis half. Semel once. Then semel in D, semel in die once a day. Then septimana, okay, septiman a week. Signa mark label. Okay, then sign without. Then singulature, okay, of each. Sole solution, okay. Then S dot L, saccharum lacti, sugar of milk, already we know. Okay, sometimes in prescription, okay, homeopathic prescriber, okay, the homeopathic physicians, they write S dot L, okay, means some medicine they are writing Nux vomica, or they are writing this Symphonia officinalis, anything. Okay, with that also they sometimes write S dot L. Okay, that is saccharum lacti, means that is sac lac, or you can sugar of milk, or that you can tell as a placebo. Okay, so S dot L is also important. Be careful. Okay, second, next is very much important. S dot O dot S. Okay, psi opposite. Okay, means if necessary. Okay, this I also again I have seen many times. Okay, in prescription also and in question paper also. Okay, sometimes physician they say just take SOS, means when you require. Okay, it is not necessary every time you have to take, just when you feel like taking you can take, or when you are getting some symptom then at that time you take. Okay, that is called as a psi opposite. Okay, that is if necessary. Okay, then specific gravity SG. Okay, specific gravity, then STMT. Okay, statin. Okay, immediately. Then sumate. Okay, let him take. Okay, then SVR, spirituous vini recticatus. Okay, alcohol. TD or TID, ter in die thrice daily. Then talis is such like this. Then terre means rule, then tr tincture, then treat, okay, and then treat is tritura, okay, triturations, then unica, okay, and ounce, then unguentum, and ointment, then ut dictum as directed, then vacuum, ventrilo, okay, if empty stomach, well, or then volume, weight, okay, then 1 dram, then SS, half dram, okay, then again I, 1 ounce, SS, half ounce, okay, IIS, 1.5 ounce. Then principles and mood of prescription writing. Okay, so this was the total short form. There may be many more than this also, but this much is in your book. Okay, this Mendel and Mendel book. Okay, and some of these I told that the some of these is important. Okay, so just go through it. Okay, and with just coordinate with your old previous year question papers and which are important, at least remember that. Okay, I told you earlier also, this is a like a mathematics. Okay, if you write thing SOS, okay, then you will get full marks. Okay, even you have to remember Latin or Greek terms also. Okay, because this was also asked many times, like SOS psi opposite, okay, means if necessary. Okay, hello. हाँ हेलो बदन. हाँ फॉर सप्लीमेंट. हाँ फॉर सप्लीमेंट्री. No, no, not we are not giving Nehu. I talked with Dr. Vishnu sir. We will only give this Nia, okay, Nia that paper, na, terminal papers. हाँ 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 Nia institute वाला. ओके ओके. हाँ ओके. One more thing, okay. Most probably, it is like 99.9%. Okay, your terminal may be first week of August. Okay, means it may be from 6 or 7 August. Okay, yesterday just I discussed with sir. Okay, so this may be okay. So be careful for that. Okay, just study well. Okay, and we will see about notifications. Okay. Then it's okay. So S is the psi opus cell. Okay. Then specific gravity Sg. Okay. Specific gravity STMT. Okay. Statium immediately. Then sum summate. Let him take. Okay. Then SVR. Then spiritus vini rectifus. Okay. Alcohol. Okay. Means just see SVR. Okay, alcohol, what SVR in Greek and Latin? Spiritus vini rectificatus. Okay, that is so long. Okay, so otherwise, okay, who will be prescribing them a right alcohol? It will be a more is means it is maybe smaller. Okay, then TD, TID. Okay, again it is important TD or TID. Okay, thrice a daily. Okay, so like that. Okay, so please be careful and remember this. Okay. Okay, now we will go to next part, principle and mood of prescription writing. Okay, this is medico-legal importance. Prescription writing always has a medico-legal importance. If you are writing any prescription in wrong way, okay, this may cause you to pay to your patient, okay, in consumer forum, or like if any heavy problem or like any blunder mistake, then it may just give you the way to jail also. Okay, so be careful. Okay, prescribing, okay, telling is different thing. Okay, but writing, documenting things is very different thing. Okay, that's why. Okay, principle and mode of prescription writing. Okay, etymology, the word prescription is determined from the Latin and prescripto. Para means before and scripto means I write. Okay, so prescription means before I write. Okay, means before I write. Okay, this is the meaning of prescription writing or prescripto. Okay, this is just a theoretical terminology. Okay, then definition: prescription is a written direction given by a physician to his own compounder or any pharmacist for the prescription of medicine, as well as instructions to the patient about the mode of intake. Okay, prescription is a writing direction given by a physician to his own compounder or any pharmacist for the prescription of medicine, as well as the instructions to the patient about mode of intake. Okay, this process is called as a prescription writing. Okay, definition: prescription is a written direction given by a physician to his own compounder or to a pharmacist for the preparation of medicine, as well as instruction to the patient about mode of taking. Okay, this is called as a prescription. Okay, be careful and remember this. Okay, if the physician serves a prescription from his own medicinal stock, then there is no question of writing a prescription. In this case, he must record in the diary or in a book exclusive kept for his future reference, along with the name, address, and age of the patient and the prescription remedy, which potency and doses. But if the physician wants to serve as a prescription by his own compounder or any other pharmacist, then he should write the prescription in such a way that a compounder faces no difficulty to dispense with the prescription. Okay, to the dispense with the prescription. Okay, means prescription, if you are not giving, sometimes we already, okay, homeopathic Ayurvedic physicians, they already have their own stocks. Okay, in allopathy it is compulsory that physician cannot keep a stock of medicine, he should have a pharmacist. Okay, in a small hospital also they should keep a pharmacist. Okay, but Ayurvedic and homeopathic physicians, they can keep some stocks of medicine with them, okay, which are genuine. Okay, but they cannot just use the cosmetic product to sell. Okay, like oil you are selling, okay, you are selling soaps, you are selling beauty cosmetics, so that is not possible. Okay, it is just a proper way is there, you can keep some medicines. Okay, so what happened when you are keeping medicine, and so at that time there is no need of giving the prescription. Okay, physician himself they give the medicine. Okay, so in small clinics, okay, not in hospitals, small clinics. Okay, so what happened at that time, you have to keep a proper record of patient, case taking, all the things, prescription. Okay, sometimes these are important in the medical legal cases. So this is very much important in the medical legal cases. Okay, it is a valuable document and must be properly written and must be preserved by the pharmacist compounder of the patient after it has been served. Prescription is a legal evidence. Okay, right? Remember, this prescription is a legal evidence. Okay, it is a legal thing. Okay, what you are writing, that is the legal thing. Okay, that is the documentation. Okay, already it is documented. Okay. Then, okay, so till here you have any doubt, anything you want to ask about prescriptions? Okay, many times it happens. Sometimes you are doing a cross-pathy. Okay, you are a homeopathic physician, you are prescribing Ayurvedic. You are a homeopathic physician, you are prescribing allopathy. Some allopathic physician, they are prescribing Ayurvedic or allopathy or homeopathic. Okay, so sometimes any things come to a legal matter. Okay, like sometimes there is a quarrel between husband and wife. Okay, just I am giving one example. Okay, there is quarrel between husband and wife. Sometimes there is a divorce cases is there. Okay, and just a husband or wife, just they are telling ki she means particular the female is like she is taking a psychiatric drugs, or she is going for her psychiatric treatment. Okay, if any homeopathic doctor is giving allopathic medicine, then that person will also be caught. Okay, sometimes some allopathic doctor they are giving homeopathic medicine, then they will be caught. Okay, that is the big problems. Okay, so that's why when you are prescribing, you should be a particularly very much careful about this. Okay, when your document is coming to a court, it will be just create a different issue on you. Okay, where you are registered in homeopathic council, Ayurvedic council, or like allopathic council. Okay, if you are registered in Ayurvedic council and you are prescribing homeopathy, if you are registered in homeopathic council and prescribing allopathy or Ayurveda, okay, then again it will be a different problem. Okay, it will be just that problem will come to you. Okay, not on that particular that person. So now this problem will come to you. Okay, why you are doing this? Okay, these things are there. Okay, because when we prescribe, we are just a part of this legal system of India. Okay, and we are also a part of the society. Okay, many times many quarrel matters, fighting matters, or many type of court cases are related with the medical systems also. Okay, like taking some treatment, anything other thing. Okay, so all these things come to court, and it will be create a big problem on the person who is prescribing in cross-pathic system. Okay. Okay, till here any doubt you have? Hello?
Sir.
No, na? Okay. That's why be careful for, okay. Sometimes pupils are I will give one example. What happened? Uh, it is just a case of Maharashtra. Okay, two homeopathic doctors. Okay, they were. I think they learned allopathy from some allopathic hospital. They are very good. Okay, means they understand the prescription. Okay, and they are just opened a clinic. They are prescribing allopathic. Okay, now they have just means good amount of patient. Okay, what happened? Near shop, that was not like a homeopathic or like allopathic or medical shop. Okay, that was just a general shop. Okay, general like general store or like electricity store. Okay, just they have some jealous with that particular doctor. Okay, so much patient that particular doctor has. Okay, and they just do a court case, and because of that, this homeopathic doctors, they just lost their registration from their councils. Okay, so sometimes you are not doing anything, okay, but just you are doing the cross-pathy, and some person will come and just give some evidence to the court, and it will be a big problem. Okay, it happens many times. Then principles of writing an ideal prescription. Okay, what is the ideal prescription? Okay, norms, a rule, a pattern, a type. Okay, definite norms is the most important in an ideal prescription. Prescription must be written in a definite pattern. Is that superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature. Okay, just remember these things as your name. Okay, this is the parts: superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature. This is the four part of a proper prescription. Okay, prescription writing. Okay, so be careful and remember. I just told na, remember this like your name. Okay, what is the part of prescription writing? Superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature. Okay, now we will go to the next part. Okay, then next part we will see signature. Okay, inscription should never be written before superscription, or the other hand, superscription should never be written after subscription. Okay, means properly everything should be maintained its order. Okay, superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature order should be properly maintained. Okay, should never be written after subscription. Maintenance of proper arrangement as superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature is essential for an ideal prescription. Okay, remember this, its sequence and what terms are there: superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature. Remember this. Okay, next is the forms. Okay, shape, molds, style. Prescription writing may be either in a simple form or in a Latin form. Simple form of a prescription is generally used in the most of the physician nowadays. Okay, normally everybody write. Okay, not no means normally these Latin terms are not used. The simple forms people used to write. Okay, legibility. Okay, is okay, easily read. Okay, means it should be easily readable to everyone. Okay, everyone, even patient, can read all the things properly. Okay, prescription should be written in such a way that a compounder, pharmacist, or the patient, okay, everyone can read it properly. Okay, accuracy and reliability of ingredient. Okay, means all the ingredient what is there inside, that should be reliable, and it should be properly mentioned. Okay, it should be proper. Then administering the small doses that will cure minimum doses. Okay, then incompatible, okay, inimical are not to be used. Okay, now just box we will see. Note: a prescription should not contain such ingredient which can contract one another either physically, chemically, or physiologically when mixed together. Um, when mixed together. Okay, if they do so, they are known as a incompatibles. Okay, means if proper what content should be where, okay, that should be properly mixed. Okay, it should not be just mixed together. Okay, means superscription, subscription, okay, should be, everything should be properly written. Okay, superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature. Okay, everything should be proper. Okay, and what content is there, that should be in that part only. Okay, superscription should contain superscription part. Okay, about that we will see next part. Okay, means here the details are there. Okay, in this detail we will see. Okay, so till here you have doubt, anything you want to ask, please, this sequence don't forget. Okay, superscription, inscription. Okay, then these superscriptions, inscription. Okay, inscriptions. Okay, then signature is there. Okay, all these things you don't need. Okay, these bold letters you just see. Okay, superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature is there. Okay, these four things you don't need to forget. Okay, and so now superscription, what parts are there? In inscription, what parts are there? Then subscription, what parts are there, and signature, what parts are there. That is again important. Okay, that important part again we will see. Okay, the different parts of the prescription. Okay, now parts are just explained one by one. Okay, so one by one we will explain the parts. Okay, which part is contains what thing. Okay, that we have to explain in this. Okay, so till here anything? Rajneesh. Hello. Okay, then next part we will see different parts of the prescription. Okay, an ideal prescription consists of 4 parts. Okay, already we have taught superscription, inscription, subscription, and signature. Okay, 4 parts are there. Okay, so then prescription, it includes name of the patient. Okay, now what prescription will contain? Okay, so this superscription will contain. Okay, it includes a name of the patient. Okay, on top you have seen, when you have seen any prescription pad, you have seen name of the patient. Okay, then name of the patient with address. Okay, it should always be placed as the top of the prescription by the physician and should be transferred to the label by the compounder. The word for should be written before the name of the patient. Okay, means for. Okay, means name of the patient, and before that small they write the for. Okay, so like that. Okay, the super name of the patient with address. Okay, proper address. Okay, when you will study about the case taking. Okay, case taking. Okay, in the second year in organic of medicine or in materia medica, you will read about the case taking, and then in third year you will study in surgery, obstetrics and gynecology. Okay, then in practice of medicine, when you study of case taking, at that time you will understand the relevance or the importance of each terminology or each thing. Okay, key, what is the use of name, what is the use of age, what is the use of sex. Okay, means male, female. Okay, gender, why you have to know. Okay, then why you have to know the address, particular address of the patient. Okay, many things are there. Okay, so this relevance and importance of everything is there. Okay, then transfer to a label by compounder. The word for should be written before the name of the patient. Okay, age and sex should be written in superscription. Okay, then symbol Rx should be there. Okay, now Rx is important. Okay, Rx means it stands for the Latin word receive, which means to take. Okay, the oblique dashes across the R is probably a receipt of the symbol that represents a prayer of the Jupiter. Okay, the latter originally signifies the symbol of the planet of our sun, the Jupiter. Okay, so means now previously what happened, Rx, you have in every prescription pad you have seen the term Rx. Okay, every prescription pad you have seen. Okay, Rx. So Rx was the just with the receive, meaning is receive. Okay, RECIP. Okay, and this term also came many times in the exam. Okay, what is the full form of Rx? Okay, and what is the Latin terms, and what its English meaning. Okay, to take. Okay, so this receive. Okay, and actually what happened when there went Hippocrates. Okay, Hippocrates. Okay, he was when he was prescribing. Okay, so he always write ki I will give you medicine, but the Jupiter. Okay, at that time Jupiter was worshipped. Okay, and the Jupiter, the god or Jupiter will cure you. Okay, and because of the grace of the Jupiter, you will be survivor. Okay, like that. Okay, so sometimes you have seen also somewhere it is written. Okay, we treat homeopathic cures. Okay, it was just like that. Okay, we treat homeopathic cures. Okay, it was just like that. Okay, means with the grace of God. Okay, with the grace of God, we are prescribing these things. Okay, so like that. Okay. So that's why always RX is written in RX is the with the grace. It is coming from that time. Okay, Hippocrates time. Okay, how when they were with the prayer to the Jupiter. Okay, they are just doing a prayer to the Jupiter. Okay, so remember this. Okay, RX means receive, which means to take. Okay. Then value of each items in the superscription. Okay, superscription. Okay, so name of the patient. Okay, about this you will again study in the case taking. Okay, but here it is important. Name of the patient. For identification of the patient, the name is essential while recording the case. For follow up of the case as well as which investigating any tests that are written in a prescription. Okay, so name of the patient is very much important to identify patient. Okay, to know. Okay, sometimes by know also by name also we can understand the like which religion of the patient, region of the patient. Okay, so like that. Okay, then we only confirm it. And sometimes some diseases are very prevalent in particular religion, particular region. Okay, that is also important. Okay, then address of the. Okay, the first thing mainly if name is important for the identification of patient. Okay, then address location where the patient resides is most important. There may be prevalence of some diseases which attack person in certain specific locality. By knowing the address, the physician may, okay, equally just see about that thing. Okay, key means there may be prevalence of some diseases which attacks person in certain specific locations. By knowing the address, the physician may inquire about that. If the patient comes for his or her treatment from long distance, the physician usually faces great difficulty in the treating the chronic diseases. In these cases, the physician must inquire how the patient will communicate with the doctor at proper time or interval. Okay, sometimes patients are coming from different far away. Okay, so by that also you can manage with them how to communicate and how repetition of doses should be. Okay, like monthly or like 2 month or 1.5 month, like that. Okay, many things are there. Okay, then next is the age of the patient. Okay, age is very much important as per the diseases. Okay, some diseases are very much prevalent in only some particular age. Okay, this about age of the patient we will see next time. Okay, till here any doubt? Okay, two things we have seen. Okay, name of the patient and address of the patient. Okay, address and name has many significance. Okay, like which type of region they are, which type of disease are prevalent in that particular region. Okay, like things. Okay, many things, name of the patient. Okay, many things are important. Okay, so till here you have any doubt, anything you want to ask? Hello, yes or no?
No, sir.
Okay, and everyone is understanding or not? I will.
Understand, sir.
Okay, I will know in terminal